In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a two-level agent system where each room gets its own dedicated area agent, like this bedroom agent, that handles local decisions and only alerts the home agent when something critical happens, giving you fine-grained control without the notification overload. All right, let's do this in 5 steps. I started by giving OpenClaw my Home Assistant access address and long-lived access token, then asked it to create a script that listens to all device events through the WebSocket API. It quickly provided the HA-event-listener.js. I ran it manually, opened my bedroom door sensor, and sure enough, it detected the open and close events in real time. Success, right? Not quite. When I looked at the output, there was no area parameter. Every event was just floating there. No context, no idea which room it came from. This script was listening to everything, but it didn't know where anything was happening. So I went back to OpenClaw with a new requirement: listen only to events from the bedroom area. It immediately provided bedroom-event-listener.js. I opened the door sensor again. Nothing, no output. I tried other sensors, still nothing. I stared at the script for a while, and then I noticed it. The area parameter in the script was using uppercase bedroom, but Home Assistant stores area names in lowercase, case sensitivity. I manually changed it to lowercase bedroom, all small letters, ran it again, and boom, events started flowing. That's the kind of tiny detail that can waste hours if you don't know where to look. But here's the thing, a bedroom may have multiple devices, a door sensor, a smoke alarm, a temperature sensor. If every single event sends a notification, we're back to square one. So I told OpenClaw, classify every event into 3 levels: critical for immediate threats, warning for unusual activity, and info for routine events. OpenClaw immediately created a new script, bedroom-event-monitor.js. This one wasn't just listening, it was thinking. It evaluated each event against the time, sensor type, and context, then assigned the appropriate severity level. I ran the test, and it worked on the first try. No debugging, no back and forth. Now, the monitoring works, but I don't want to run this script manually every time. This is where OpenClaw's Heartbeat feature comes in. Heartbeat allows agents to wake up on a preset schedule and execute tasks autonomously. I created a new area agent called HA, bound it to a Feishu bot and group, and told OpenClaw, combine the bedroom-event-monitor.js script with Heartbeat, monitor continuously, classify alerts by severity, and send them to the Feishu group. OpenClaw updated the OpenClaw.json heartbeat configuration, modified the heartbeat.md and tools.md files in the HA agent's workspace, and created a new monitoring script, bedroom-event-monitor.js. I tested it, found bugs, reported them, and after a few rounds of debugging, the function finally matched the scenario requirements. The agent was now autonomously monitoring the bedroom and sending graded alerts to the group. With area monitoring solved, the next question was obvious. How does the area agent report critical alerts to a home agent that manages everything? I created a home agent, also bound to a Feishu bot, designed to be the supervisor of all the area agents. From the OpenClaw documentation, I learned that enabling agent-to-agent communication just requires adding this to the configuration. I manually edited the config, restarted OpenClaw, and told it, based on the relationship between the home agent and HA agent, update all the markdown files in both workspace directories, agent.md, sol.md, and so on, so they can cooperate better, manage all the smart home devices together, and serve the user as a team. After several rounds of testing and conversation, the function met the requirements. And here's the interesting part. When you look at the OpenClaw gateway output logs, you'll see that when a critical alert triggers, the HA agent and home agent have multiple rounds of internal conversation. The best part about this system, the complexity happens behind the scenes. You only see what matters, and that's exactly what makes building with OpenClaw and Home Assistant so much fun.